Hello my friends and welcome back in my channel. As you can see, today's video is in the bedroom. I'm going to share with you what's in my bag. So, what's inside my purse? Let's see. What's this? It's a sunscreen. Sunscreen, we use it to protect our skin from the sun. And I've got a body spray, you know, to spray yourself, give yourself a nice smell. Of course, I've got my keys. Yes, I like keychains. So this is a keychain, one keychain. I'm obsessed with collecting keychains. And of course, I have a mirror, a small mirror, and a lipstick. I don't wear makeup, but I like to have a lipstick with me. And my wallet, a wallet. Inside my wallet, you can find a lot of cards, and my ID. ID is identification card. And of course, money. I will not show you the money. I take the purse when I don't have work and when I don't have a gym workout. Just when I want to go out with my friends. Okay, now of course, if I want to go to the gym, I have a backpack. What's inside it? Let's find out. Okay, number one. Headphones. No workout without headphones. Number two, my tiny face towel. You need a towel at the gym, you know, for all the sweat that you get. And of course, I have my gym gloves. See a glove? This is a glove, two gloves. Alrighty, and my gym top, a top, you know, a top. And if it's a full set, we say outfit. Okay, and another tiny purse. This is a tiny purse. Let's see what we have in here. Again, my sunscreen, mirror and lipstick, even though I don't use them. A scrunchie, the most important. This is a scrunchie. Okay, a deodorant, of course. And also, this is a padlock. Padlock for the locker to keep your things inside it. And, you know, open and you lock it. Okay, I've got the keychain for the padlock, for the padlock. It's not for my hair. This is not a hair tie. This is for my keys. Yeah, to wear my keys. Look. Ta-da! And I've got poppy pens for my hair, you know, and just tiny hair ties. All right, well, I think that's it. Nothing else. I know I have a very boring bag. You don't find a lot of interesting things inside it. If I have work, you might find my laptop. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Tell me in the comments, what do you usually have in your bag? And see you in another video. Goodbye.